Hi dear student, in today's lesson we will study the law of cosine. The law of cosine. The law of cosine says that the square of any side of a triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides minus twice the product of two sides times cosine of the included angle. I mean, if we have triangle ABC, this is triangle ABC. So opposite to A, side A, opposite to B, side B, and opposite to C, side C. Then cosine law is A square equal B square plus C square minus 2BC cosine A. So as you know, they say the square of any side, for example A square, so is equal to the sum of square of other two sides. A we took, so then B and C, square of B, square of C, then they say minus. So minus twice, 2 times, the product multiplication of 2 times, their 2 times mean multiply of these two sides B and C, and then times cosine of the same angle, included angle, like you know we have A square, this A square, so equal this B square plus C square, 8 minus 2 BC, and this angle we will choose cosine angle A. So this is the law we have to memorize, and we have some other shapes of this law like B square equal A square plus C square minus 2AC cosine B, and C square is A square plus B square minus 2AB. Here is a mistake, it's AB cosine C. C square is A square plus B square minus 2AB cosine C. We can use the law of cosine case number 3 if two sides and included angle is given. Side, angle, side. Two sides given and included angle given. For example, we have 10, we have 30, and this is, for example, 40 degree. So in this case, we will use law of cosine. Two sides between angle. And if we have three sides, S, all the sides given, we don't have any angle, so we will use the law of cosine. In these two cases, case number 3, case number 4, we are using the law of cosine. Done. Let us start. Use the law of cosine to find the indicated side x or angle theta. So in the first question, we have to find angle x, sorry, side x. We have to find side x. First, in the triangle, we have angle A 39, B is opposite to B is B, this is B is 21, and opposite to C, this is C, C is 42. We have to find actually A or X. So if we find A, so I'll choose A square. So to find A or X, we will use A square is B square plus C square minus 2BC cosine A. So just put the values, use the calculator, answer will come A square equal 834.1, and then take square root, so the answer will come A equal 28.88. We can even say approximately 29, so we can say 29 or we can say 28.88. So I hope it is clear. In the next question, we have to find angle. So this is a triangle, three sides given, one side, another, and we have to find angle C. So you know opposite to this is C, this is side C, this is side B, and this is side A. To find angle C, we will start with the C. So to find angle C, we have A, B, and C. So we will start with C. C square is A square plus B square minus 2AB cosine C. So this 2AB cosine C I'll shift there, and this C square I'll shift there. So 2AB cosine C equal A square plus B square minus C square. And we will find angle C, which is cosine inverse a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2ab. Put the value, we will get this answer, and use the calculator, we will get this answer. So simply just use calculator, we can get the answer. I hope it is clear. So these are some practice question. You can practice on this question. In some question we have to find x, and in some question we have to find angle, like here angle, here angle. You can see here we have to find x, we have to find x. In this question they say solve triangle and sketch triangle using the law of cosine. So in a triangle we have a equal 3, b equal 4, and angle c is 53. So we have to find side c, we have to find angle a and angle b. So to find side c is the easiest. We will write c square equal a square plus b square minus 2 ab cosine c. Put the values, use the calculator, the answer will come 10.6. So square root both sides, we will get 3.2. Done. To find angle A, we will use a square equal b square plus c square minus 2 bc cosine A, and A will come, our angle A will come cosine inverse b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2 bc. Put the values, so the angle will come 47.5 degree. To find angle B, there are two methods. You know, the sum of interior angle in any triangle equal 180, or we can use the law of cosine, b square equal a square plus c square minus 2ac cosine b. So b will come cosine inverse a square plus c square minus b square divided by 2ac. Put the values, use calculator, so we will get 79.5 degree. So the triangle we can sketch like this, where b is this, a is this, and c is this. Also the angles are given. Another question. In this question we will have three sides and we have to solve the triangle to find angle A, angle B, and angle C. We have three sides. Find angle A, angle B, and angle C. To find angle A, we will start with a square. So angle A will come cosine square, cosine inverse b square plus c square minus a square by 2 bc. Put the values and the angle will come 129.14. Angle B, we will write the rule, we will put the values, we will use calculator, and the angle will come 24.55. Angle C, write the rule, put the values, and then use calculator to find the answer. So the degree, it will come 26.31. So these are the angles and we can sketch it. So we draw the triangle. As you can see, A is 129 and B is 24.5 and angle C is 26.331, or we can say 3. So I hope it is clear. Here are some questions for the practice. So in some question we have two sides included angle, and in some question we have three sides given. So practice on this question. Here we have a question, application, how we apply cosine law to solve some question. Find the distance across a small lake. A surveyor has taken the measurement shown. Find the distance across the lake using information. This is information. We have to find this distance from A to B. We can say X or we can say AB. So you know, we will use law of cosine because two sides is given and included angle is given. So it's simple, we have to find C. So A is this one, B is opposite to B, so B is 3.56 mile, and angle C is 40.3. So distance from A to B, it is actually C. To find C, we will start with C square. So write the formula. C square is A square plus B square minus 2AB cosine C. Put the value, use calculator and find the answer. So it will come 5.31, take square root 2.3 mile. So the distance across a small lake is 2.3 mile. In the last, we have one question for you. This is a practice question for you. You can read the question. You can see the shape, the figure. So in this question, actually, the data, they apply on the picture, they apply on the diagram. So we have this distance 800, but we don't have this distance. So I'll say x, and we have to find y. We have to find y. This is the question. So first we have to find x. Find x, actually we will use law of sine, because this is angle 90. We have angle side. Angle side, we will use law of sine. 74 degree, 90 degree and 300. This is 300, 3400. So easily we will use law of sine to find x. When we find x, we will add them and we will find this distance. Then we will use law of cosine. We have this distance, we have this distance, and we have between angle 90. So we can find easily like that. I hope it's not very difficult. You can do it. So we should stop here. See you. Goodbye.